What it do, YouTube? Well, how y'all feeling? We back. We back in that baby S class. You feel me? Just, riding around while it's raining. I ain't gonna lie, these gas prices be blowing me. One day it's cheap, next day it's high. And it be like, it was low for 4th of July. It's just a regular weekend. Now it's expensive. God. Makes somebody don't want to drive. I'm still gonna ride around. I hate when people just get in the wrong turning lane. Like, man, get in the right one. Like, you know that turn lane mean, but nobody care about that little Acura. Or that Accord. Not Accord. It's Acura and, no, that's Acura. I would think the Xfinity. Infinity. I ain't gonna lie, what that car just did, I'm just passing by, they did the right thing. But in most situations I be in, they would do that in front of me if I was the first car. And it's like, why? And then drive slow. It's like, so you basically cut me out to drive slow? Oh yeah, make me want to smack you. But hey, a little peaceful drive, ease the mind. I got a little update. Got a vlog I need to. Did they just turn off their headlights? They must about to do a drive-by. I gotta download the vlogs from my camera. Edit it after that. I got a question, if anybody in the chat knows. I just seen it, I think it was on Facebook, I seen it. They was like, Waymos finally just hit the interstates in Nashville. Were they not supposed to be on the interstates? It ain't like I drive the interstate much anyways now. I really try to stay out the interstates. Unless I'm going to like out of town or, you feel me, a far part of the city that I just need to take the interstate because taking street is gonna be stupid. But me, I really prefer the streetway over the interstate. I feel like just too much stuff that tends to happen on the interstate. And they do interstate stuff at night most of the time. Street stuff they try to do in the day. So that'd be the real blessing, taking the streetway. Every time I got on the interstate, it'll be standstill traffic at 9 o'clock at night. Oh, Circle K. I ain't gonna lie, I think it rained every day at some point for the past 2 weeks. And it don't even rain for like a long time. You be thinking like, if someone say it rained every day for over 2 weeks, you thinking like raining all day, every day. No, it rained for like 2 hours a day. Like, what is you doing? I swear people, that's why bikes need just, hey, get on the sidewalk. Like, why are you in the middle of the street on a bike? Like they got y'all bike lanes and everything. Nah, I want to be in the middle of the street and try to cross over. I had a girl today, you see it in a blog. I just seen on her face that she was about to give me a fake name. I said, hey, you can give me your fake name. I'm not tripping. Hey, and she was like, I was debating. Sometimes you gotta debate to see you want to give somebody your real name, fake name, because people be crazy. It's like, what can I do with your first name? Yeah, you know how hard, unless you got a unique first name, it's gonna be the hard to find you on any social media based off your name. If you got a common name, like her name is Jasmine. That name is so common, and then it's got, like, you gotta have the right spelling. Man, nobody about to go through all that. Nigga, you know who I am. No, I'm playing. But yeah, like I just seen on her face, like, oh yeah, you go ahead and give me the fake one. I'm not even tripping. Like, I'm not even. This not even that. You feel what I'm saying? I just know how to get that back. You feel? Like, well, I'm at right now, I'm not tripping on no woman. I'm not, hey, my attention span is so not with any of my time feel like it's being wasted. Not saying dealing with somebody is wasting time if it's not successful. I don't think that's ever the case. I feel like I will be wasting time putting my energy into something that I don't feel good about in any ways. Like, I feel like I should be putting my energy into this YouTube stuff. Like, just how this past week was, like how much energy I put into YouTube, and I seen like the benefits of putting in this work. Yeah, it's like, the only way I feel like it'll be beneficial of me dealing with a woman at this time is basically it's understanding what I got going on and just being there, like motivating, like, hey, yeah, you record a video today? Hey, did you upload? Did you woody woo woo? Hey, let me go and play your video. I probably ain't gonna watch, but I'm gonna play in the background. I'm gonna like it. You feel what I'm saying? You know, something like that. Like, if it ain't really like that right now, man, what we talking about, man? Like, you can't even do the bare minimum. Why about, yeah, I'm just, you know, they don't really care. Probably won't even subscribe to my stuff, so it'd be like, I don't even be tripping. Now, some women do. I had one, she subscribed. You'll see in the blog, she subscribed right then and there. And what was it? I met another girl. I don't know if it's in the blog. It probably is. I asked her to subscribe. And I asked her to follow me on Instagram. And I typed it in. But I don't never hit the follow button when I type my name into somebody's phone, because I still want. I know in today's age, a lot of girls are afraid to say no just because they don't know. It's based off their safety. Like, they don't know how crazy, man, woo woo woo. I don't do certain stuff that a lot of people do. If I put my number in your phone, I'm not calling my phone with I'm leaving that all up to you. So you still have the opportunity to say no. Even if you didn't feel comfortable saying no in the first place, when I give you the phone, I put in my IG, I go to my page, you can hit the follow button. I'm not hitting the follow button. I'm not tripping if you follow or not. I'm leaving that up to you to hit follow. Because again, I want you to be able to still say no. I want to give you that opportunity. A lot of men ain't gonna give you that opportunity. Well, they gonna, I know it's probably some men out here, you get their Instagram, they gonna DM themselves from your Instagram. Like, hey, for real. People phone up. Like, real talk. It's how I know I was like, yeah, I'm different. I got a cousin that is considered a celebrity. I don't really, y'all probably seen him before on my page, but I got a cousin that is a celebrity, right? Considered a celebrity. When I got his phone number, I put my phone number in his phone. I didn't call myself from his phone to get his number. He ended up calling me right then and there, but I didn't press the call button because I feel like, all right, we family, whatever. And I don't feel entitled to be like, yeah, we cousins, but that don't mean you want to give me your phone number. I still, yeah, whatever. It's love either way, but I'm not tripping if you don't let me have your number because you have that right. And that's just say I was like, all right, if I can be like that with a family member who on a way greater status, that could probably open more doors to me if I wanted to ask him and he was allow me to do it. If I could do that with him, well, I look like doing this for a woman I probably ain't gonna even care to talk to in about a day or two. I'm just gonna be honest. It's just my thoughts, man. And maybe just because of my upbringing. I used to see a celebrity almost, well, hood celebrity, a Nashville celebrity, probably one of the most popular people in Nashville. I used to see him every day at my granddaddy house, every day for like a year and a half straight. And he used to be with my cousin best friend. And I never bothered him because I was like, he's just a regular person. So what if I look like tripped off these women? Like, I've been around people with names. Celebrities bump shoulders with all of them. I just can't trip off no girl telling me no or just feeling like, man, feel bad if they tell me no. I'm cool, man. My self-esteem so high. I had so much success with women. It's all right if they tell me no. You feel what I'm saying? Probably I really don't even care to really. Most of the girls' Instagram I get, I do not even DM them. I don't like their posts or none of that. Some of them I do like the posts. I might give them a compliment, but I don't really, you feel me, just go above and beyond to, you know, feel me, to even communicate with them. But, you know, it is what it is. But, hey, y'all, I appreciate y'all riding with me on this little car ride, man. Y'all do me a favor. Go on and just like this video, subscribe. Watch another one of my car videos. I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.